from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northern Island. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to producing waterspouts was located over Wilmette Harbor. At 7:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm producing waterspouts was located over Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Small craft could be damaged. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor and Wilmette Harbor.